Welcome to our Java programming tutorial series. Today, we're diving deep into one of the fundamental concepts of programming, variables and data types. Let's start by understanding what variables are in Java. In Java, a variable is like a container or a box that holds a value. Think of it as a named storage location in a computer's memory. To use a variable in Java, you first need to declare it. This involves specifying the data type of the variable and giving it a name. For example, let's say we want to declare a variable to store an integer value. We would write int my number. Now, we can assign a value to this variable, like so. My number equals 10. And just like that, we've stored the value 10 in the variable named my number. But wait, there's more. Java supports different data types for variables. In Java, data types specify the type of data that a variable can hold. Let's explore some common data types in Java. 1. Int, used to store integer values, such as 5, -10, or 1000. 2. Double, used to store decimal values, like 3.14 or -0.001. 3. Char, used to store a single character, such as A, B, or $. 4. Boolean, used to store true or false values, representing logical values. Let's see some examples of declaring variables with different data types in Java. Here's how we declare variables with different data types. Int age equals 25. Double price equals 19.99. Char grade equals A. Boolean is Java fun equals true. With these declarations, we've created variables to store an age, int, a price, double, a grade, char, and whether Java is fun, Boolean. To sum it up, variables in Java are like containers that hold data. By declaring variables with different data types, we can store various kinds of information in our programs. I hope you now have a clearer understanding of variables and data types in Java. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Java programming. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Happy coding!